Hey guys! We have another day of diary to share with you. And I took the fur babies to Tagu Cafe, a new outdoor cafe in Bago City. But before that, we went to a cafe to buy a viral dessert.
Hey guys! We're not done yet with the Dubai Chewy Cookie craze. And so we are going to Coffee O'Clock's Cafe in Helado Street. Kasi last night guys, may nabilhan kami ng DCC or Dubai Chewy Cookie. Pero we were very disappointed with the taste and quality. 'Di ba?
Yeah, super. I don't like it.
Parang nagsayang lang kami ng pera guys. And dahil hindi na satisfy yung cravings ni MM ng DCC, ay yun nga, pupunta tayo ng Coffee O'Clock. So, first time natin na napupunta ng store nila.
Yes. Kasi before guys, nagpapabili lang kami sa Maxim. So now, timing naman na day off namin. So, pupuntahan namin yung store nila.
Yeah.
Kasi proven and tested na namin yung sa Coffee O'Clock para hindi naman masayang yung pera natin. So, let's go to their cafe.
Guys, bumili din kami ng barbecue for our lunch here at Lola's Barbecue. We always buy pork barbecue here, but usually nagpapagrab lang kami. Malapit lang kasi siya sa Coffee O'Clock. Kaya nadaanan din namin. 20 pesos, no? Per piece for the pork barbecue.
Here sa Lola's, one of our go-to barbecue here sa Bacolod.
Yeah.
Kasi masarap yung barbecue nila, guys. Nag-take out lang kami kasi nagluto kami ng rice. So, doon na kami kakain sa bahay. Nandito din yung sikat na Luisa's Chicken. Dito na street.
Yeah. Guys, we got the goods.
Got our order.
8 pieces of pork, 20 pesos each. 8 lahat.
Hindi ka matatakam dyan. So, hindi siya
Hamot-hamot.
masyadong malaki, guys. So, this is my hand.
Char.
Correct. 20 pesos.
Yeah, this is our lunch.
Bumili kami ng 8
Yeah.
pieces para hindi kami mabitin. Angol yarn.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Uwi na kami, guys. Guys, it's here. Dubai Chewy Cookie from Coffee O'Clock. So, hindi namin to kinain guys sa cafe nila kasi busog pa kami. Nag-drinks din kasi kami doon. So, again, this is from Coffee O'Clock. This is the third time getting the DCC from them. Same pa rin naman siya guys. Hindi naman siya lumiit. Hindi din lumaki. Masarap pa rin guys.
Busog pa ako. Then guys, nag-introduce sila sa amin kanina ng bagong variant. Yung Biscoff, no?
Biscoff.
Chewy Cookie.
Next time naman siguro. Try natin yun.
Siguro. Yes. Kinikrave namin tong Dubai Chewy Cookie talaga.
Yeah, mga 1 week na.
Yes.
So, same pa rin naman. Tapos, babalance ng bitterness nung outer na chocolate yung matamis na pistachio. Last bite. Na guys. Bye.
Around 2 p.m. ay bumiyahe na nga kami guys ng mga fur babies going to Bago City. Around 30 minutes ang biyahe papuntang Tagu Cafe. It's a new but already popular spot because of its beautiful landscape. We're currently here in Bago City sa isang new outdoor cafe guys. It's called Tagu Cafe. So this is an outdoor cafe, guys, and pets are allowed. Actually, meron silang first branch, guys, which is yung nasa Pontevedra. We've been there before, around mga 2023. So now, mas malapit na sila dito sa Bacolod, around 30 minutes lang, guys, na drive from Bacolod City. First impression sa place, guys, maganda naman. Very relaxing, nature vibes. I'm not sure if man-made lake ito. Pero yun yung mas nakaka-relax sa place. May mga outdoor seats sila, may mga umbrella naman. It's now 3:30. Medyo tutok yung araw. Pero since marami namang puno dito, malamig din naman yung hangin. Coffee. Kasi nag-order kami ng snacks lang dito kasi tapos na kami mag-lunch kanina. This is all our food, guys. Mango shake, chicken burger, fries, lumpia, tapos native coffee with milk. This is my drinks, guys. Native coffee with milk. Favorite namin talaga na yung native coffee. Kasama nga pala namin, guys, si Linlin. Hi, Lin. Galing pa yan siyang graveyard shift. Okay. Hi. Then, while sitting, eating, and drinking, guys, ito naman yung view natin dito. So, we have seen, guys, na maganda magstay dito mga hapon papuntang sunset. Kaya plan namin hanggang mga siguro, mga 5 or 5:30 kami dito. Guys, we're done with Tagu Cafe dito sa Bago. So far, guys, maganda naman yung place. Pet friendly sila. Kaya lang, may mga dogs din sila and medyo reactive itong si Spy namin. So medyo magulo minsan kasi nagre-react si Spy. Sa food naman, guys, for me on the average lang. Ikaw? Parang so-so lang, no? Ikaw, Len? Same. Yeah, hindi siya like mapapawaw ka. Hindi naman din siya bad. Oh, not bad lang yung food nila. Tapos, guys, better siguro pumunta dito ng around mga 4:30 onwards kasi medyo mainit. Dumating kami dito around 3 p.m. Damang-dama talaga namin yung init, guys. So, mas maganda na para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung place, siguro mga 4:30 and beyond na lang kayo pumunta dito. Pero so far, okay lang naman siya. Yun lang, guys, for our vlog today. Na-enjoy naman yung mga mommies. Na-enjoy din yung mga fur babies. So, until our next day of diary, guys. Bye!